Why should you tailor your resume?
Customizing your resume for each job application helps you stand out from other candidates. It shows employers that you've taken the time to understand their needs and that your skills match what they're looking for. A tailored resume makes it easier for recruiters to see you're fit for the role, increasing your chances of landing an interview.
How do you analyze a job description?
Start by reading the job description carefully. Look for keywords such as required skills, responsibilities, and qualifications. Identify which of your experiences and abilities align closely with these keywords. Pay attention to repeated themes or specific tools and certifications. These are likely important for the role.
Which resume sections should you change?
Focus on updating your professional summary, skills section, and recent job experiences. Highlight achievements and responsibilities that match the job's requirements. Rearrange bullet points or sections so the most relevant details are easy to find. Even small adjustments can make your resume much more effective.
How to incorporate keywords effectively?
Use the specific words and phrases from the job description in your resume, especially in your skills and experience sections. This can help your resume pass through automated screening tools. However, only list skills and experiences you genuinely have, keeping your resume honest and accurate.
Tips for efficient resume tailoring.
Save a master version of your resume with all your experiences. For each application, copy that file and adapt it for the target job. Focus on details that are most relevant to the position. Proofread your tailored resume to catch any errors and make sure the language feels natural and professional.